Hello there, how are you this fine morning? Well, your faces say it all. Make sure you all buck up and stretch your body because today I am going to take the floor for a very outlandish topic. Yeah, you heard it right. My today's topic is importance of time. Let's not hold it up and get started. But before that, I want to express my gratitude towards sir and my dear fellows. Time is the most valuable thing in our life and it has no beginning and no end. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. We all live in a dimension and it affects everything around us from a flower growing season to destruction of empires. Time is a that word term. The term time derived from Old English word "tima," which means a limited existence or a matter of time. Time is once a time is gone, it can't be brought back again, and you can do nothing to speed it up or slow it down. Every moment counts because every moment in our life matters. Time is precious and priceless, and it is the most beautiful gift to someone. But one should keep it in mind that it is gone, it can't be bought back again, and we might not realize the importance of time now, but we will regret it later after wasting our time. If we waste our time, it will ruin our entire life. Whether it's about studying, eating, or working hours, time affects everything. If we don't eat on time, it will affect our health. If we don't work on time, we will get reprimanded by our bosses and teachers. Making a perfect timetable will also make you systematic and keep you healthy and wealthy. Time is the only thing in the universe which time is the only thing in this universe which is limitless and can go up to infinity. It can make anyone king or a bigger in just a span of seconds. In this modern world, time people there's often a tendency to prioritize money above everything else. But one should keep it in mind that money is not everything. Let me give you something that once the money is spent, you can earn it again. But once the time is gone, you can never get it back, no matter how hard you try. Time is the greatest teacher of all. People learn from their mistake and make it up for it by using time. Every day you saw a successful person, they took time and experience to get where they are today. One should keep trying, failing, and trying again to make it up for what they want to be. There are various quotes on time, such as "Time waits for no one," which is a folklore. The second one is "The two most important barriers are patience and time," which is said by Leo Tolstoy, and many more. At last, I just want to say that as time is so much important, we should use it cleverly. We should know that we should be aware and alert where and in what kind of activity are we investing our precious time. At last, I just want to say that time is free, but it's priceless. You can earn it, but you can't earn it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once it's lost forever, and there's no way to gain it. I think I have said enough now. I would like to quit myself from the podium. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, including dignified directors, sir, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. We are here to confirm conversation between two friends who meet in a restaurant.
Hi Vivek, is it you?
Oh Rajiv, how are you? It's been a long time.
I am fine. What about you? Yes, we last meet during the board exams.
I am good too.
What are you doing now?
Well, I have started my undergraduate studies in English honors at St. George's College in Mumbai.
Wow, you finally got to study the subject you loved the most in a school.
True. What about you, Rajiv? Wasn't history your favorite subject?
You guessed it right. I took up history honors in Lady Sri Ram College.
I am so happy for you.
I am happy for you too. Let's meet up again soon.
Yes, sure. We have a lot to catch up on.
But for now, I have to pick up my assistant from tuition. Take care.
Bye. We'll see you soon. Thanks.